Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, October the 19th, 2024. We have here a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. And in today's newspaper, I've showed you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in the weekend edition, no additional with extra puzzles. What I can do is to solve the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, this will take me more than an hour to solve the Samurai Sudoku. You need to try this also, because it will train your brains for a long endurance. Yes, more than an hour. Okay. The first one I will do is the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9459. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Yeah, 25. For 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, a truly 4 stars, then it has 24 printed digits. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars. A 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with the 4 stars by the publisher. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. We have a pair. The 1 and the 8. A pair in this big square. We have 1 and an 8 in this row. 1 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 in that column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is the 1 number 8. Then let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 3, 3, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 6 in the third row. Oh, wait. 7. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Then yeah. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Need a 5 here. 8. Need a 3 here. Need a 4. And I need a 7 here. 3. Need a 9 here. But the 9s. In this big square, we need a 9. Oh, wait. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Well, now, the 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left with 6 should be there. We have all the, not all the 6s. 6, 6. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 3. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 4. Here came me 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here came me 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. The only place left with 4, a shoe there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9, 9. Need a 2. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left with 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. In this big square, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 5, could be everywhere. And I need a 6, 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1. Come on, come on, come on. 7, 9, and need a 3 here. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only place left with 4 should be there. 4, 4. 7 here. Need a 4 here, need a 3, need a 7, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 1, need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2, 3, 6. Now we have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. About these, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row, so that row, only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3 and the 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So I need a 2 there, and I need a 5 there. Okay. Let me continue. 10 minutes, 11 minutes already passed. 1, 4, and need a 3 in this column. Yeah, need a 3 here. Here, give me 3. We have 3 in this big square, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left. 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 4, and need a 9 here. No, need a 7 here. 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Look, we have 6 and 7 in the middle row, no 6 and 7 in this box. 6 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 9, 9, need a 9 here, 1 there. 5, 5, 5. How about the 6, 6, 6? But the 3, 1. Here, 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 9. I need a 7 and I need a 4 here. 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, 2. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Well, we have a 2 here in this big square, so here can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. That box should be 2 then. So 1 box left in this first row for number 7 then. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 7. We have 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 7 and 4, 7 and 4. 3, 5, and I need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Come on, come on, come on. No 5. In this big square we need a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left with 5 should be here. Here, give me 5. We have a 5 in the first column. So, okay. So here we need 7, 4, and then 2. Yep, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Set column, only 2 places level 2, could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 2, and 7. I need a 7 here. 7. About here. 3, 5, and need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 in the first column should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. 6 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. How about here, the 3 and a 5? We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 9 goes there, finished in 17 minutes. Wow, we solved it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, 2 stars, yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, otherwise it will be a 3 stars. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.